just as the entire country was celebrating the great achievement of our scientists that was acclaimed internationally. Before that could settle down, the International World Wrestling Federation suspended the Wrestling Federation of India for not being able to function as per the rules, norms and guidelines of United World Wrestling Federation. Now, why was this? Because of a BJP MP who was heading the Wrestling Federation of India, who was charged for molestation, which was on the national stage. And this very BJP government, who uses the law enforcing agencies to target its opposition, use this very same law enforcing agencies to cover up this molestation issue. This disgrace has not brought only in India, but it is a disgrace for the whole world. We as India will fight and see that this type of activities will be stopped henceforth, and strict action will be taken against the perpetrators of disgracing India.